Statistical test that we're going to do is called a one-way analysis of variance. And what the test is actually doing is it is asking if the means or the averages are different from one another. Can we actually tell if they're statistically significantly different from one another? And so we can, using this particular tool, we can only have 2, 3, 4, or 5 samples. And technically we have 7 different year classes with our 5-year averages. So we're just going to use 3 of them, and we're going to use the first one, the middle one, and the last one. And if you'll notice, so the number of samples in our analysis is going to be 3. Then these are independent samples. So we're going to choose that. And these are weighted. And so we're going to choose that. Then, in order to get the data in here, I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. I'm going to want my raw data, and I am going to want from 1981 through 1985, and I'm going to Command C or Control C to copy just that. I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to Command V as in Victor and put the first, so this is my first year. I'll go back to my, and I'll grab 1980. Technically I want the middle one, so that'll be 1996 through 2000. Copy that with a Command C or a Control C. Go back, click into the sample 2 box, Command V. And then, well, I don't actually have the last one done, so I'll just choose 1986 to 1990, copy. Come back over and paste. And then I choose this calculate button. And what it does is it gives us that there were 5 in each of our 3 samples, and it gives us the mean and some standard deviation and some variance and the standard error. And then it gives us, this is called the sums of squares. You don't need to know all these details. You want to focus over here on the p-value. Whenever your p-value or your probability value is less than 0.05, then you know that you have a statistically significant difference. And so we do here. We have our value is 0.02 if we round up. That's less than 0.05, so we have a statistically significant difference. The last thing we want to know is that difference between our, in this case, 1980, sample 1 was 1981 through 85, sample 2 was 96 through 2000, and sample 3 was 86 through 90. And what it's telling us is that the only significant difference here is between sample 1, our first year, and our last year. And so that, and it also compares, is sample 2 different from sample 3 or sample 1 from sample 3. And if you look down here, sample 1 from 2 was significant, 1 from 3 was not, 2 to 3 was not. Hopefully that makes some sense. Make sure to take a screenshot of this to submit in your final document.